Hello friends, welcome to Financial IQ. In this video, we will learn how to pay income tax online through the new income tax portal under the Income Tax Act 2025. First, visit the official income tax portal and log in using your PAN and password. If you are a new user, complete the registration process before proceeding. It is always recommended to make tax payments after logging in so that your payment is correctly linked to your account. After logging in, go to e-file, gives e-pay tax, and select new payment. Under the available options, choose income tax and click proceed. A major change under the Income Tax Act 2025 is the introduction of the tax year concept. From 1st April 2026, payments relating to financial year 2026 to 2027 will be referred to as tax year 2026 to 2027. Therefore, taxpayers must carefully select the correct tax year while making payments. Next, choose the appropriate payment category such as advance tax, self-assessment tax, or any other applicable category. Enter the tax amount along with any interest, penalty, or late fee, if applicable. The portal offers multiple payment options, including net banking, debit card, credit card, UPI, Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, RTGS by NEFT, bank counter payment. Select your preferred payment method. Verify all details carefully and complete the transaction. Once the payment is successful, you will be redirected to the portal. You can check your payment details under Generated Challenge, Payment History, Saved Challenge. Always verify the tax year, payment category, and tax amount before making the payment. A small mistake can create difficulties while filing your income tax return and claiming tax credit. This new payment process is applicable from 1st April 2026 under the Income Tax Act 2025. Understanding these changes will help you make accurate tax payments and avoid future complications. For more updates on Income Tax Act 2025, GST, TDS, ITR filing, accounting, finance, and tax planning, subscribe to Financial IQ. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to